Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, let's count. How many triangles?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, good. How many circles?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, we have 4 circles. How many squares?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, what color is it?
Green,
What color is it?
orange,
What color is it?
purple,
And what color is it?
red,
What color is it?
pink,
What color is it?
blue.
Very good. Good girl. Okay, let's move on this page. How many goldfish? Can you find the goldfish?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, good. How many frogs?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many butterflies?
1, 2.
Okay, 2. How many ducks?
1, 2.
Again.
Yes.
Again, no.
1, 2. Ơi!
Oh,
1, 2, 3.
good. Okay. And what is it?
I don't know.
Lizard. Lizard.
Listen.
What is it?